What's up, y'all? This CW always doing something. Today, y'all, I'm on a mission to St. Petersburg, Florida, to help a buddy of mine. He's an older gentleman, and he got some things he's trying to organize in his old shed. You know, a part of my thing is always giving back and helping others. And so that's what my goal is this morning. So I done hopped in my 97 F-150, and now I'm heading down St. Pete so I can help him. You know, I know he got a lot of stuff that he said he want to get rid of. A lot of stuff we need to get out of there. So I'm gonna go down there and give him a hand, y'all. You know, that's what it's about. You know, so that's what I'm out here doing today, y'all. And with that, y'all, I'll be getting back with y'all soon. What's up, y'all? This CW always doing something. I'm out here with my good buddy who I was telling y'all about. This Nick, y'all. That's right, this Nick. I done came down to St. Pete to help Nick get his shed in order so he can get a little bit of peace when he come outside and go into his shed. So we finna get busy, y'all. What we're gonna be doing is getting this in here together. Getting all this in here together. I'm gonna help Mr. Nick get everything back organized. You need some gloves, Nick? I got some work gloves. Where you wanna start at, Nick? Anywhere? You ain't got no more table space. You can empty this wheelbarrow though. Yeah. You got garbage bags? Just move this here and set it inside the wheelbarrow. Hey, that's the lid for this thing, ain't it?
That there doesn't have anything in it.
Well, what you got it for if it ain't got nothing in it? You said ain't nothing in it. Oh, that's fancy. It's got toolboxes inside toolboxes. You got a broom. Oh, you got a lot of screws and everything, man. We need a dustpan. Nick, step to the left. Grab your flag. I'm finna move. We can clear out so you can get a step up close. This trailer water. Gonna hook up another trailer. Out your way. So you can see what you're stepping on. Hey, there go that heat gun. Got your old rubber mallet here. Boom, boom, boom. Here for the flag and whatever else you're gonna put in there. Are you trying to string this one? Where you string it? Get you some light bulbs for your light up there.
Well, I'm going to spring the light back out there.
Oh, you had disconnected it?
Yeah.
And there's a certain way you gotta dispose of your flag. You can't just throw it away. It's a certain way you gotta dispose of it. Oh, okay, here you go. You put both of them flags in this bag. A wire numbering book. A book of wire numbers. I don't wonder if they still sticky. You know how they use wire sticky. What's this for? Awesome. Man, I'm washing my truck with this. What's this for? A tiller or edger? It's ancient. Oh, okay. It's an edger, y'all. And it's not made with electric. Just in case the power go out, you can still do your yard. It's not got an engine on it either. Your behind is the engine. What are you doing with that, Nick? Don't you lift that. Well, let me pick it up and you move the bucket. Where you want this at? Right here? Stubborn old man, y'all. They need to put you some more plywood down on that floor. Now, they don't make them like this, definitely no more. Classic weed eater. What you doing with it? Pressure wash? What, you getting rid of it? That's ACW always doing something. That includes mechanics, y'all. Look at that. Deep fry. Hand me your broom. Right here. Yeah. And it's light too. This work good in the country. I can chop up some wood with this. Really? Cold salt. Look at here, y'all. Putting a dent in it. Y'all remember where it was? Y'all see this? We're putting a good dent in it, y'all. And I'm trying to help him, and he's steady pushing me out the way. But yeah, we cleared this floor out, y'all. He didn't want to touch too much of it, but we got a lot of it out of the way so he can come in and out of his shed however he chooses to. So I'm grateful to be able to help him. He's an amazing person. And I'm going to keep on doing what I'm doing. Once again, CW always doing something. And I'm out of here, y'all. Oh, don't forget, like and share. If you're on Facebook, like and share. If you're on YouTube, like, share, and subscribe.